I decided to make a short video about how much it's raining. Because I have to do my homework soon. Dragon, why are you scared? Don't be scared. Oh my god, it's so wet. Oh god, I'm getting it wet. That's why we have these things above us. And I oop, and I poop, and I don't know what else to say. Oh god, it's so cold. Oh my god. Oh god. I am going back. It's too wet. My iPad. God, it's so wet. Oh my god. I'm gonna end the video. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how much it's raining. Hey, Dragon, get out. Get out. Dragon, you're not supposed to be in here. I'm sorry I let you in. Get out. Get out. Dragon. Yes, come out here. Dog, you're not supposed to be in here. I feel so bad for him, though. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the video. Bye.